everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, how to use night mode for low light photography. At first move on camera, then here you can click on more. After that, from here where you are seeing the night mode, just pan on pro or straight text scanner. Here is the night, and from here you can capture the night mode if you want to capture, and this night mode will be work. So this is the night mode. You can capture in this way for the light mode, and you can even set the filters if you want to set. See the brightness, it's working. Look the difference. You can use the night mode, but the second option works perfectly for the night mode, so you can set it for the night mode. And there is even this option. If you want to select this option, you can select. Friends, you can even change this setting. If you want to change it, you can set a timer on ratio of your camera. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.